We'll see another example. There is kind of multiple keywords are there. It's not a pattern matching. So see, L is equal to W belong to A comma B star. There an exists X comma Y is belong to A comma B O star. So what is the condition as given? Either accept X followed by string followed by Y, or X can accept this. There are two ways it will come. Either accept this or it will accept this. There are two machines are there. Multiple keywords are similar way. So first you have to take one keyword. So this either this will be accept, right, or this will be accept. Okay, so which is the common? Both the keywords, X will be common and Y will be common in this both the keywords. So in between the patterns are this, and for this case this will be the pattern, right? What about the X? Either A or B will be starting with the both the keywords. At the ending at it's a ending with a Y. So in this case I have taken two transition with a, because art cases I am separating it. Okay, so this